Well, everyone's getting the summer heat today, but not everyone's getting those cooling showers.
Right, and we were in that pattern for a couple of weeks,
Yeah.
a couple weeks ago, where we had showers and storms pretty much every afternoon, even pushing toward the coast.
Yep.
Not the case today, a little different. There's always a little difference every few weeks, it seems like, when the patterns come on and go. We are looking at some showers and storms around, and this was what it was like this morning. From the Venice Beach off into the Gulf. Janet getting a nice shot there. She said it was a great day for the beach, and those storms right there stayed well offshore and eventually pushed off toward the west-northwest. This was a shot actually yesterday from Lido. I wanted to show you that again, that water spout that quickly formed. And this is the kind of situation where you can see water spouts form rather rapidly as a result of isolated cells that are out there over the Gulf of Mexico. Punta Gorda webcam showing the mainly fair skies throughout much of the day today, and then the showers starting to roll in isolated areas, and then a heavier rain now making its way in through parts of Sarasota County now near Northport. But notice most of it well offshore, and a few showers there along I-75 up near, looked like we had some near Waterleaf earlier. Parrish had a pretty good downpour just about 2 hours ago. The strongest cells by far in the interior portions of the viewing area, moving northward right now, but some showers with some lightning now developing with that cell into South Sarasota County. You can just see our live lightning detection network showing lightning blowing up there across parts of South Sarasota County. It's moving out of Warm Mineral Springs now. Here's US 41. Sumter looking pretty good. Had some occasional showers near, again, Laurel actually on into Herring Creek near Northport. And now that rainfall along I-75. Tough driving conditions there. That's where that construction is going on. Elsewhere, some showers just south of Mayaca City. And it looks like the motion of these storms is basically due north. Normally this time of year, they start to drift back toward the coast, but that's not the case. So the evening planner looks to be pretty good. If you have some plans around the area beaches or within a few miles of the coast, looks to be okay. We'll have temperatures staying pretty warm, though, because of the lack of rain. We're not cooling down that much. It's 89. The dew point actually makes it feel like 98 degrees with that heat index. The high was close to average, and so was the low, just a couple of degrees above average. 65, the record low set back in 1948, and we topped out at 100 degrees in 1998. And that was more likely due to an east wind that day with no sea breeze developing. Today's rainfall at the airport just over 1/3 of an inch, and for the month now we're below average over an inch and nearly 2/3. 91 degrees in Jacksonville, it's 92. In Orlando, it's 88 degrees now. In Miami, and 89 in Sarasota Brayton Airport. Englewood at 86. Northport will start to cool off. 85 in Lake Placid. Avon Park at 90. And Lakewood Ranch, you're at 88 degrees, the same in Brayton. Well, look at all this dry air out here. This is the Saharan dust layer that is blown off the coast of Africa, and it just covers much of the Atlantic, all that drifting off in our direction. So we're going to shut down the thunderstorm pattern for a little bit throughout this entire work week. Not many storms around in the afternoon, maybe there'll be a few, but not nearly as many as you would expect due to all that dry air in place. And you can see that with the Futurecast. Here's Tuesday as we make our way through time. Looks great, sunshine. It'll start to get pretty warm pretty quickly, and then some showers, 1 or 2 developing in the afternoon and evening, heading off to the north. And Wednesday looks to be the same way, with just a 20% chance for a passing shower late in the day, when typically it's at about 50 to 60%. Philadelphia hot right now, 96 degrees. That heat wave is broken up a bit as a result of a cold front moving through the Great Lakes area. Slight chance for storms tomorrow. Southeast to south winds for boaters. Seas running 1 to 2 feet. And the water temperature now at 89 degrees. And the beaches will see a high near 90. The forecast tides upcoming 12:17 for a low tide. High tide will be at 5:58. Tonight, a few isolated showers, otherwise mostly fair. 76 for your low. Tomorrow, the rain chance still not all that high at 20%, with a high near 92. Southeast winds turn to the southwest. The extended forecast calling for relatively dry conditions through Thursday, and then we get back to more of those afternoon and evening storms slowly working in over the weekend.